So hello guys, don't say we didn't see this coming. Another Reddit post got fired today because of AI. It's coming, whether it's AI slope is whether AI is slope or not. And my words wrong. I worked for a boutique e-commerce platform. CEO just fired web dev team except for the most senior backend engineer. Our team of 5 was laid off because the CEO had discovered just vibe coding and thought she could basically have one engineer take care of everything. Question: good luck with the 11-year requirements. What is this? A11Y. Accessibility. Accessibility requirements. A11Y requirements. Iterating on customer feedbacks. Scaling for traffic. QAing. Responsive designs with just one engineer and an AI. But CEO doesn't know this kind of. But CEO doesn't know this and thinks AI can replace 5 engineers. As one of ex-colleagues said in a group chat, I give her 2 weeks before she's begging us to come back. But still, this point still remains. Company leadership thinks AI can replace us because they're far enough from technology where all they see is just the bells and whistles and don't know what it takes to maintain a platform. I agree. So before we even go into the responses, some of the responses, I think that's like the misunderstanding. So these platforms are being sold to companies as if it's like just one senior engineer that's running an AI and then building, because they think most of what front-end engineers do could be automated using AI. But point taken, like the ex-colleagues say the 2 weeks she'll be coming back, begging for them to come back. This has happened before, like some companies that jumped the ship and decided to go with AI and then fired a bunch of people and then realized, maybe we did need them after all. And then they had to hire back the same people they fired. Maybe they even increased their salaries. I don't know. But it's been a pattern over the last year. I think that's when it happened, if I'm not mistaken. So I still think AI is slow, and I still think things like this are going to happen either because of the wrong reasons. Maybe the company management thinks by mentioning that they use AI, it will be something positive to have on their resume or like their books, or maybe they think by doing this, the shareholders are going to applaud them that they were able to cut costs by basically firing people who were essentially variable to the company in order to implement whatever they did with AI, which is not going to work well for them in the end, because like a site, just building something, coming up with the ideas and then building a static thing, that works well for AI. But like something that takes into consideration like user feedback, customer feedback, and traffic, and all of these variables is not gonna be something you want to build with AI. Because you need at least like a team of people, even if it's not a huge team. Could be like maybe cut your manpower by half and then replace the half with AI, maybe by a quarter and then replace that quarter with AI, something like that. But like just cutting everybody out except for one guy and then expecting that one person to be able to first to have enough knowledge of how to work with the AI and optimize the workflow with the AI to get the most out of it and handle whatever needs to be handled on the website to maintain it and improve and incrementally like improve and all of that good stuff. And also be also competent in his skill to take care of whatever side of things he remains to take care. He remains there to take care of. Like in this case, he was a backend engineer, so that backend engineer that remains has to do his original duties as a backend engineer, and also has to take care of what the other devs used to do using the AI. So he has to master the AI, do his own work. And I'm pretty sure in these cases, when they do this, they don't even tend to increase the salary for the person who is left. Anyway, that's my take on it. I think it just goes again to show how bad the job market is, especially with whatever this AI slope and companies thinking just slapping AI on something makes it seem cool to investors, attract more money, and then they gotta do what they gotta do, and the developers get to suffer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you finished watching the video, maybe you like some other content, and be sure you subscribe. Comment below if you have a take on this, or if you think we're just exaggerating. To me personally, I think this is just something that's gonna keep happening until somebody wake these people in the corporate world to the fact that it's not there yet, and it's more of a companion than something to replace actual people. That's my take on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.